So how to make your first $150 with affiliate marketing. Now you see, at the moment, as you can see on my screen, I'm in clickbank.com. So as you know, if you're a newbie watching this video, Clickbank is nothing else than an affiliate network where you can basically, for free, yes, that's right, for free, basically pick up the product you want to promote. Let's say weight loss offer, manifestation offer, or hobby offer, right? And promote it as an affiliate 24/7 as a clockwork, as an affiliate, right? And make huge commissions. In this case, you can make up to 95% commissions, even up to 100% commissions as an affiliate. That's right, as an affiliate promoting those products. So as you can see over here, if you go to clickbank.com, if you register, right, for free, of course, for free as an affiliate, and you go under the marketplace, you'll be able to see many different products. And on the left side, you'll be able to choose from the categories. So what are the categories? The categories are different niches, right? Like, for example, weight loss, relationships, business, online business, make money online, golf, self-help, personal growth, personal development, right? Many different niches. So the most important thing that you have to keep in mind as an affiliate is this: you have to be in front of the niches where people, right, human beings, let's say, are willingly spending money hand over fist every single day. What I mean by that? For example, let me give you a simple, easy example. For example, let's say iPhone, right? You see iPhone over here, right? See iPhone? So, you don't have to convince people, right, to buy the new iPhone. Like, you don't have to convince them. You don't have to tell them this is the best iPhone, you have to buy this iPhone, right? You don't have to convince them nothing, right, about this. Why? Because they're already convinced. They already have the belief system in their brain. They already know there is the brand, right? There is Steve Jobs. There is the brand. There are the people who are already buying testimonials, right, of people who are already buying iPhones. So you don't have to convince them, right? But if you have the editorial, you have the blog about the iPhone, of course you can make commissions, right? Because you are in front of the people who are already willingly spending money every single day, hand over fist, right? Every single day as an affiliate. So you as an affiliate, you are getting those huge 100% commissions. That's right, 100% commissions. If you're on Clickbank, right, you have to have connections. You have to have the right connections with the vendors, let's say the owners of the products, right? So that you can get up to 110% commissions from the owners of the product. Now, maybe as you're watching this video right now, you're thinking, oh my god, you are crazy, right? Why would someone pay me 110% commissions as an affiliate? Let me tell you this. Imagine this. I have the phone that costs 100 euros, right? Or $100, right? And I give you $110 for every sale that you make of this phone. Now you might be thinking I'm really crazy, I'm fucking stupid right now, because I'm giving you $110. But in the reality, right, you don't know that to the same customer who bought this iPhone, I'm also giving them headphones. I'm selling them upsells, right? I'm selling them iPhone, I'm selling them charger, I'm selling them, let's say, headphones, earphones, I'm selling them, let's say, mugs or cups or t-shirts, whatever, right? So you are making $110 from the same sale, right? But me, as an owner, I'm making $1,000. or $500 from the same customer. So this is the real important thing you have to understand about affiliate marketing, right? There are many upsells. It's not only the front end sell, right? Me, all the time. How much can I make from the first sell? Of course, you can make $50 or $500 or $1,000 or $5,000 from the same customer, right? But as you can see here on my screen right now, let's say the weight loss offer X-Super, right? You are making decent commissions. You're making decent $100, let's say, and $50 per sale. So $150 per sale. So in this case, you need, let's say, 30 sales per month, right? If you're making only one sale, at the bare minimum, one sale per day, right? You're already making over $4,500 US per month, right? As an Clickbank affiliate. So does this make sense to you, right? You need to do the math for yourself. How much do you need to be free, right? How much do you need to travel to pay the bills, to pay the gas, to pay the rental, right? To pay your, I don't know, whatever you have, the bills that you have, right? To be free. So you need to do the math by yourself. So as you're watching this video right now, and if you want to know exactly how to get help personally, one-on-one, right? Done for your website, done for your ad copy, done for you targeting details, then let me know. Below this video, as you're watching this video right now, below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can reach out to me personally. That's right, personally, because most gurus are not willing to give you a personal connection, relationship as a human being. You see, as you're watching this video, I want to tell you this right now. You need to have not only high tech, right, but also high touch. So I believe personally that you need to have, let's say, human relationship with a high tech, right? So once you match, as you can see now on this video, once you match with high tech, right, high tech and high touch, then you can have someone to guide you through one by one, step by step, each step of the way. So this is really important. As you're watching this video right now, please click the link below this video, reach out to me by email, Instagram or Facebook, right, or WhatsApp. Do let me know about this video, and then I will give you exactly step by step framework that can help you to succeed with each step of the way. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget right now, subscribe to my channel as you're watching this video to get more helpful tips like this, and stay tuned for the next one.